slow it down. You gotta let it bite. You're just skipping across the top. That drill bit's dead already. Oh, hey, progress in motion. I was gonna say,
get some go juice. Can't go too slow. Yeah, it's made for metal. Is it even going in square?
From what I can see, yeah. Oh, hello. Lordy. See if you can, no, you gotta finish out your line.
That's nice and straight?
Yeah, from what I can see.
Right.
You don't need that wrist. They're overrated.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
Wrists are overrated.
Get a left-handed drill bit, put my fucking wrist back in its socket. Is this the right hole? Jesus Christ.
Oh, hello, lady. Hey, I'm fucking killing it. Now just make sure a bolt fits in there.
It'll fit in once.
Yeah, you need to step it up.
Buying another $15 drill bit. Oh, yeah. Hey, that moved.
The heat got to it. Look at that. Fucking the heat finally warmed it up.
We found the shrapnel, doctor.
It's like playing Operation.
Oh, him and Mike with the Jetta.
Yeah, that kid that just left.
No, the guy with the old.
Oh yeah, the silver Jetta.
I was straight dick to him one day because he came and bothered me about a fuel pump, and I said $100. I said it's a 2-hour job. I'll do it for $100 fucking dollars. Give me the keys. And then he went over and had somebody else do it and took it home. And then he comes back bitching at me and stuff like that. I'm like, look, you pay the fucking price that I want and quit bitching and. Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm like, yeah, now you're sorry.
Work, yeah.
Guest appearance and voiceover by Dan. Jesus Christ, you call this a work area? Yeah, exactly. No, look for all the rest of the fucking bolts I lost.
Are they in that bucket right there?
Yeah, you know where they go. Where they're supposed to be. What are you laughing about? Ain't fucking going yet.
It's trying.
I didn't say this was a quality channel.
Yeah, it's just a channel.
It's just a channel.
What a racist motorcycle.
You want quality content, go over to Scotty Kilmer.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, are you kidding me?
Jesus Christ.
Trying to pull it together.
Yeah, you're not even at the hub yet.
finger in there. Shit.
You need to go
Rotationally?
this way a hair. Yeah, towards you.
It'll center itself.
That's the theory behind it. I know my wife's up probably walking around. Where the fuck are you? Where are you? It's working, it's working.
Oh. Is it? Are you sure?
Maybe.
So make sure when a bearing goes out on the front of a Prius, you just buy the whole hub and knuckle assembly together. And
Yeah, fuck it.
don't fucking try this shit at home.
Doesn't look like it's seating.
I don't think it is. I think it's so much shit on the threading.
We made a nut out of a bolt today. We just need to thread it.
Wait, what's going on here? Oh. Oh, I know it's a problem.
It's a bucket.
Sorry.
That's all good, man.
It's good for the environment.
Just hungry. Looking like a little
This is that
Folger,
right there.
Little Folgers and brake clean. Get you going good in the morning.
You put like 2 coffees, like 3 shots of brake clean.
Cleans you right out. Both ends.
It's the secret of the mechanics. That seems better. Is this the one we
Drilled out?
Yeah, I'm wondering if maybe it's at a slight angle. Well, no, the rest of the shit came out of it, so.
Yeah, it came, the whole chunk came out, so there's no reason.
Yeah, the chunk's right there.
Yeah, there's no reason for it to not fit. Let's go
No,
on
it's
now.
going. It bit. I was wondering about this one here. Probably got the same shit going on. Watch your eyes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's just the beginning of the threading there is just boogered up. It's homemade.
Where's your buddy?
What buddy? Who's my buddy?
Guy in the little white car here in the Toyota.
What's up, buddy? There's a line. The line forms here. You're dying? Jesus Christ. Okay. I would have got his keys from him yesterday. I could have put it all together before he got here, and I could have went, here, bye.
Yeah, you owe me.
But now you got this.
Yeah, no fucking shit.
Bopping heads.
Do you want to do this? I should hand him a fucking wrench next time he does it.
Yeah. Yeah, he's not the brightest little color fan in the box.
He drives me nuts.
He's test driving his car to find out wheel bearings. you know. So he goes across the street to a parking lot and drives 4 miles an hour. It's like, dude,
He'll come back in 30 seconds. Be like, oh, it's okay.
sounds great. I go now. No, you pay me now. No, you don't go now. You pay me.